Wula. Akusay sharp very wizard, but to thank you for tuning in to everything SA Diski. And on this one today, we got you Chiefs lock in Saudi Pro League opponent for Spain training. We all know what we've been seeing the latest sports trends, and teams have been traveling a lot to Spain for their preseason. But Kaizer Chiefs will take on Saudi Pro League side Collod in a confirmed preseason friendly during their training camp in Spain. The Statista Everything SA stories confirm the match is scheduled for Wednesday, 15 July at 11 at the Pineta Arena Football Center with free entrance for spectators. Amakosi will hold their preseason training camp in Spain from the 10th to 19th July, departing for Spain this week. So far, there is one confirmed preseason game for Kaizer Chiefs coach Fernando de Cruz, and we all know Uti, a lot of fans are also looking at the new coach and seeing his starting lineup, but hasn't made major key signings. Fixture representing the only locked in position ahead of the trip. Saudi club finished 14th in the Saudi Pro League last season, providing Chiefs with a test against top flight opposition from one of the world's football's most ambitious leagues. Chiefs are also likely to take on additional opponents during their stay in Spain, but there are other teams that they will be playing, such as Andorra, Leyton Orient, Lincoln City, and Bristol City, as well as Stockport County, will be using the Pinta Arena Football Center at the same time as Amakosi, presenting opportunities for further friendly matches. The camp represents the crew's first preseason preparation, with Chiefs offering valuable time to implement his tactical vision and assess squad fitness ahead of the 2026-2027 campaign. Whether additional fixtures are confirmed before departure or arranged during the camp itself, the Saudi Pro League clash provides a guaranteed competitive test as Amakosi build toward their towards their new season. So please do let us know what you think about those news down below the comment section. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs has what it takes to compete in the 2026-2027 season? And let us know what you think about Kaizer Chiefs' latest transfer news. From your boy, Why So Nice.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is